folks. Another rainy day. It's Friday morning. It's rained every day since Monday. It's not good for the wallet, but it's good for visiting, I guess. We're riding over here to Talbot County, the old Bellhoppers. I've never been there. Looking forward to it. Going to drop off my Mac 250. See if he can doctor on it some. I'm out here on 16 in a secluded little stretch, but I'm going to get my hands back on the wheel and eyes back on the road, and I'll pick this up later. It's only about an hour, a little better trip from my house to his shop, so I'll see you there. Alrighty, folks. I've been trying to put together a video on this neat little visit I had down to Bellhoppers on Friday, and I made 5 videos. Me and him playing around, farting around with the different saws a little bit. We didn't get to do a lot. It's rainy. It's been ugly. It was ugly here all week last week. I didn't have nothing with me but my phone. Never been there before. I didn't want to walk in carrying the camera. I don't like that young forking trees are so hard to grip. I don't like filming with my phone, and this is why. I had 5 videos I took there. Well, now I've got 3, along with some other footage of my shop pad and stuff that's missing, and lots of stuff missing. I just ain't figured out what yet. I've had that happen a couple of times over the years. Much stuff get gone off my phone. Usually pictures though. I ain't never lost any video till now, but anyhow, I intended to have this video out sooner. I want to give a big thanks to Bellhopper for taking time out of his day to chat with me, and I want to get back down there sometime when weather's better, where we can actually get out and play with some saws, this and that. But he's a good dude. If you don't subscribe to him and you're into saws, I highly recommend checking him out. I left a McCulloch saw with him. He's going to take a gander at it and bring him back to life. Today is Monday. Like I said, I was there on Friday. I'm just cutting the second drag of logs on Monday, and it is 2:10. Got to work this morning. Of course, it was muddy as crap. Had to push mud for about 3 hours actually. And they hollered at me and said, "Come out here to the loader and check the skidder out. It's acting up." One of them new L-Series John Deere skidders, they got a 3-way toggle switch for neutral reverse on the left handlebar. You know, they don't have a steering wheel anymore. Anyway, it was showing the code. It was locking itself down, showing the code at FNR, which is forward neutral reverse switch. Circuit lost. I talked to John Deere, and they said, "Well, sometimes that's in the wiring harness." I said, "This machine ain't got 2,000 hours on it." Surely not. So that thing had little T10 Allen head screws holding it together. They're way recessed back, and I didn't think I was going to be able to get the handlebar apart. Finally, I remember, because my T-handle Torx, I said Allen, I think, but it didn't Torx. My T-handle Torx stuff's at home. I finally remembered I had these little Torx screwdriver set, and I was able to get it apart. And I tore it all apart, tore the toggle switch apart, all the connections, cleaned them up. And that thing's got some kind of crazy digital LED magnetized super duper space age switch in it, and I finally figured out how to get it all apart. There's really nothing to clean. All that sealed unit. I mean, once you got into it, it was all sealed. And I put it back together toward lunchtime, maybe a little after. That thing went to working like a Singer sewing machine, running around here and there. Called it fixed. Well, the next thing you know, they go down there and pull a log truck in. Trucks won't come in on their own here. The damn thing quits in the middle of the road. And we do not know how to release the transmission on those to the free wheel. So, yeah, we're blocked in. The vehicle's blocked in. For the night, probably, truck driver's going to get us another ride. We've got a $1,200 part coming in, overnight freight, James River Equipment. Can't wait to see what that grand total is. But anyhow, yeah, that's how my week has started. Now they're giving, I just heard them sound the radio over a inch of rain this Wednesday and then more Thursday. Man, right here at Christmas. Getting rich, buddy, getting rich. Loggers are rich. Whatever. But anyhow, yeah, I wanted to wrap this video up where I went over to Bellhoppers and explain why. It ain't much of a video, actually, but next time we get together, I'll get something cool going on film, hopefully. Catch y'all later. Y'all be blessed. Have a safe week.